Unwrapping, Season's Greetings, a guide to warm wishes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you've probably seen on holiday cards, in emails, or heard during festive times, Season's Greetings. It's a common phrase, especially during the end-of-year holidays. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it? Let's unwrap this together and make your English language journey a bit more festive. Season's Greetings is a warm and inclusive way to wish someone well during the holiday season. Unlike Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah, which refer to specific holidays, Season's Greetings is non-specific to any one holiday. It's a way of wishing someone happiness and well-being during the holiday season, which typically covers the end of November through the beginning of January. This phrase embodies warmth, goodwill, and festivity, making it perfect for cards, emails, and spoken greetings. Choosing Season's Greetings is especially thoughtful when you're unsure of someone's cultural or religious holiday preferences. It ensures that your well wishes are inclusive of all traditions and celebrations. This phrase is a way to express your warm wishes without making assumptions about the recipient's holiday celebrations, making it universally welcoming. There are several ways to use Season's Greetings effectively. In cards and emails, a simple Season's Greetings at the beginning or end of your message adds a festive touch. In speech, when meeting someone during the holiday season, you can say, Season's Greetings, as a friendly, festive greeting. In decorations, some holiday decorations feature the phrase, Season's Greetings, to spread holiday cheer to everyone who sees them. While Season's Greetings is widely understood and appreciated, it's also a reflection of the diverse ways people celebrate during the holiday season. It's part of a broader understanding and respect for different cultures and traditions. Embracing such phrases in your communication can be a small but meaningful way to show respect and inclusivity. Season's Greetings is more than just a phrase. It's a bridge that connects us during the holiday season, respecting and acknowledging the rich tapestry of celebrations around us. Whether you're writing a card, sending an email, or simply speaking to someone, using Season's Greetings is a wonderful way to spread holiday cheer and inclusivity. We hope this exploration has added a new phrase to your English language toolkit and that your holidays are filled with joy and warmth. Season's Greetings to all, and to all a good day.